Right. Yeah. So this is very tasty, guys. Very delicious and very healthy as well. You know. Yeah, man. So you can have this for the kids, guys. You know, it is very healthy for them. It's a nice. Yes, guys. Trust me. This one is the bomb. Yeah, man. As a vegetarian meal, guys. Trust me. This is the bomb. All right. So it's called callaloo vegetable pasta. Yeah, man, that is it, guys, and it's a nice summer meal. Yeah, man, for the family. It's good for the lunch or at dinner time. You know, it's a very, very, very healthy meal, guys. I keep saying that because it's the truth. You know, it's very tasty as well. Yeah, man. Trust me, guys. You have to try this one. You have to try this one. Callaloo vegetable pasta with mushroom. It's off the chain. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, guys, and just continue to support my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. Yeah, man. Just continue, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check, check, check. Straight out of Jamaica, Flex. We keep doing it real. Yeah, man. Up in the United States, Dallas, Texas. Yeah, man. Unstoppable.